Namaskar Bhavanites. In the previous videos, we had done two sounds, right students? The first one was SH, whose sound is sh, and the other sound was CH, and the sound of CH is ch. And now, in this video, we're gonna do another sound who is friend of these two sounds. So do you wanna know who's their new friend? It's TH. This is the new friend of SH and CH. But as you can see, student, these two sounds have only one sound in Hindi. But TH is a unique friend. Why he is a unique friend? I'll tell you how. TH is having two sounds in Hindi. Yes, this TH is having two sounds in Hindi. That is why he is unique friend of SH and CH. Okay? Now we will do the first sound TH is having. So the first sound TH is having th. TH, th. Okay. So which word we can make from TH now? So what you can see? Have you noticed anything? What is this called? It is thumb. T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. Thumb. Okay? Another word we are having. He's a thief. Do you know, students, who is thief? When someone steals something from your bag or from your house, then what will we call that person? Thief. We call that person thief. And the spelling of thief is T-H-I-E-F. Thief. Thief. Okay? Now next picture I'm going to show you. See, the girl is brushing her teeth. What do you do every morning? You brush your teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. And after brushing your teeth, what do? You take a bath. You take a bath. B-A-T-H. Bath. See, all these words are having TH. And the sound of TH is th. Now we will do another sound of TH. Okay? And what is the another sound? That is the. That is the. See, I have written some words over here. What are these? This, this, that, these, those. All these words are having TH, and the sound of TH in these words is the. What is the sound? The. Okay? Now what is the meaning of this and that? Suppose you are sitting on a sofa, right? And there's a sketch pen, green sketch pen. Now what will I say? This is a green sketch pen. Why? See, This sketch pen is near to me. It's right in front of me. So I will say this is a green sketch pen. But if the same sketch pen is far away from you, you can see this yellow sketch pen that is far away from me, right? So I will say that is a yellow sketch pen. If something is near to you, then you use this. But on the other hand, if something is far away from you, then you will say that. What you will say? That. Okay? Now we will check out the meaning of these and those. See, these and those are the plural form of this and that. It is a plural form of this and that. Okay? What is plural? When we talk about two or more things. Look, I'm still sitting on a sofa. Here what you can see, there are 4 sketch pens which are near to me. Okay, so what will I say? These are 4 sketch pens. Why? Because they are near to me. And in the same way, if these 4 sketch pens are far away from me, see, there are 4 sketch pens on the sofa, another sofa. Then we will say those are the 4 sketch pens. Okay? These are the 4 sketch pens when they are near to me. But if they are far away from me, then I will say those are 4 sketch pens. Okay? So basically, this and that is used when we talk about single thing. And these and those are used when we talk about the plural thing. Okay? These and this is used when something is near to us. Okay? That and those are used when something is far from us. Okay? Hope is it clear to you?